Are you searching for best solar panel kits for home in 2023? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best solar panel kits for home on the market. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Number 1, Renogy Solar Starter Kit. The Renogy 100W Solar Starter Kit is easy for you to install and is the most economical choice for solar beginners. This Renogy solar kit is an ideal choice for both off-grid and mobile solar power applications. This solar panel kit will produce an average of 500 Wh of electricity per day, based on 5 hours of direct sunlight conditions. With the Wanderly 30A PWM charge controller, the kit can meet your further power needs by adding more of the same solar panels to expand up to 400 W. Best point, efficient performance, smart 4-stage charging, powerful compatibility, solid quality, ready to install. Number 2, Zamp Solar Legacy Panel Kit. Zamp Solar is a popular brand that specializes in innovative and high-quality solar solutions to help you thrive off-grid. Zamp Solar is the premier supplier of US-made off-grid solar panels and accessories. This portable solar kits are the most flexible and efficient solar option. With the largest selection of portable kits on the market, you're sure to find a solution that works for you. Best features: slim, easy to store case, no installation required, set up in less than 5 minutes, camp in the shade and set your panel in the sun, integrated charge controller protects your battery and panel, extend your battery's life 3x, Zamp Solar Ready compatible. Weatherproof 25 years output warranty. Number 3, Newpowa Polycrystalline Solar Panel. Newpowa is a very popular brand that provides quality products and better services to the customers. Though it offers quality products, smaller in size, same output, higher cells efficiency compared to most other brands. Uses high-performance poly cells encapsulated in EVA. Heavy-duty anodized frame with pre-drilled holes for mounting, 25-year transferable power output warranty. Number 4, Mighty Mule Solar Panel Kit. The Mighty Mule 10-watt solar panel for powered gates can be used for any Mighty Mule or GTO/Pro system for the Mighty Mule and GTO/Pro gate operator systems. Easy technology. You can install this product as an alternative source of power for your Mighty Mule GTO/Pro automatic gate system. Particularly suited for remote installations, each solar panel comes with tubular steel support, mounting clips, wire connectors, and 8 feet of low-voltage wire. The Mighty Mule control board has clearly labeled terminal connections for easy installation of the solar panel. Installation in some regions will require multiple solar panels for adequate charging power. Dual gates require a minimum of 2 panels. Number 5, Renogy Monocrystalline Solar Starter Kit. Renogy RV solar kits are carefully arranged to meet your RV needs. This kit includes 2 100W solar panels, an Adventurer 38 PWM charge controller, a 30 feet 10 AWG male and female connectors adapter kit, a 16 feet 10 AWG tray cable, and 1 Renogy cable entry housing. The choice between 1 set of Z brackets or 1 set of corner brackets are also given. It also features an LCD screen for displaying system operating information and allows for full control of parameter settings, easy installation, multiple protection, excellent performance, 5-year warranty. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.